Hi dear children, welcome back to our chemistry class. I hope all are safe in your home. Our first time over. Then second time start with your fourth lesson atomic structure according to new syllabus. First some topics are avoided from page number 37 to page number 42 not needed to study. That is avoided portion. So we can start the portion for the second term, atomic number. Last class I sent one video. What is atom? Atom consists of three subatomic particles. What are they? Protons, neutrons, electrons. Okay, that is the fundamental particles of atoms. Protons, neutrons and electrons. So atom consists of subatomic particles called electron, protons and neutrons. Okay, so two structural parts of atom is there. One is nucleus and another one is orbits. Okay, nucleus is there in the atom and orbits also is there. Nucleus is a positively charged particles. Nucleus is a positively charged particles. This nucleus is a central part of atom. This nucleus is a central part of an atom. Okay. In this nucleus, we can see protons and neutrons. So nucleus contains protons and neutrons. So two structural part of an atom. One is nucleus and another one is orbit. Nucleus is positively charged particles. In this nucleus is a central part of an atom. The nucleus contains protons and neutrons. And orbit. What is orbit? Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Electrons are revolved around the nucleus. That path is called orbit or shells. That path is called orbit or shell. Next topic is atomic number. Atomic number is represented as set. Atomic number is represented as set. The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom of an element is called atomic number. Atomic number is equal to number of protons, that is equal to number of electrons. So atomic number, for example, oxygen atom. Atomic number of oxygen atom is 8. Okay, atomic number of oxygen atom is 8. So number of protons is present in oxygen atom 8, because atomic number is equal to number of protons and atomic number is equal to number of electrons also. So number of electron is present in oxygen atom, that is also an 8. So atomic number of an atom is equal to number of protons, that is equal to number of electrons. Clear now? Next topic is mass number. Mass number is represented as A. It is the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons, where we can see the number of protons and number of neutrons which is present in nucleus of an atom. Okay, so mass number is the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons which are present in nucleus of the atom of an element. Okay, mass number represented as A. So we can write the equation mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Number of protons plus number of neutrons. Here number of protons, that is equal to atomic number or number of electrons. Okay. For example, if the atomic number and mass number of an element are known, we know the atomic number and mass number of an element. We need to find out the number of neutrons. How we can find out? Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. For example, sodium atom. Sodium, its atomic number 11, its mass number 23. Find out the number of neutrons. So what is the equation? Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Here atomic number of sodium is 11, mass number is 23. So we can write 23 minus 11, that is equal to 12. Another example, an atom X has atomic number 12, mass number 24. Find out the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in the atom. So how we can find out the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in the atom? Okay, so we can represent this. X is an atom. Here mass number should be written as superscript and its atomic number is written as subscript. So 12 is an atomic number, so we can write subscript, and 24 is mass number, so we can write as a superscript. So we know that atomic number, that is equal to number of protons and number of electrons. So we can write number of protons is 12, number of electron is also 12. Okay, then in that question mass number they given and atomic number also they given. Okay, mass number is 24. So we can find out the number of neutrons in the atom. How we can find out number of neutrons? So we can write the answer 24 minus 12, that is equal to 12. So number of neutron is equal to 12. Is it clear? Number of protons, that is equal to number of electrons, that is equal to atomic number. That is here 12. Atomic number they given 12. So number of protons is equal to 12. Number of electrons is equal to 12. And number of neutrons, how we can find out number of neutrons? Mass number minus atomic number. So 24 minus 12, that is equal to 12. Is it clear? Dear children, page number 43, some elements they given and their atomic number and mass number also. So you must study the atomic number and mass number of that elements. 1 to 20 elements, atomic number and mass number must needed to study. Okay. And dear children, in your textbook atomic number, mass number of some elements they given, I don't know. So you find out each element's number of protons, number of electrons and their neutrons number also. Okay, and send through Google Classroom. Okay, one time you find out each element's number of protons, number of electrons and number of neutrons. Okay, and send through Google Classroom. What are the elements? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Atomic number you can study easily. I will give one code for you. You listen it and try to study that code. Okay? Listen the code. Hahi libabknofni namagal sibsklar pottakka. Hahi libabknofni namagal sibsklar pottakka. Ha, hydrogen. He, helium. Libabk, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. Libabk, 4 elements is the lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. Nofni, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay, Nofni, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, Ne is neon. Then namagal, na, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, namagal, sodium, magnesium, aluminium. Next is sibsklar, C, silicon, P, phosphorus, S, sulfur, Cl, chlorine, Ar, argon. Sibsklar, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Pottakka, potassium, calcium, potassium, calcium. If you study the code, you will get the atomic number of 1 to 20 elements. Okay, then mass number. Mass number you by hearted, there is no other way. So study like how you study the table, multiplication table, like that you study the atomic number and mass number.